it's Hannah, and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day inspired makeup tutorial, and I am so excited because I have been wanting to do one of these for the past 3 years now that I have started on my YouTube channel, and something has always came up, and I have never been able to do it. I've either gotten sick, or I've gotten hurt, or just something else has come up, so I'm really excited that I finally got to do one this year. So let's just go ahead and get right on into the tutorial. Alrighty, going in with my Sephora Beyond the Stars palette, I'm going to take the light brown shade and apply that to my crease using this teeny tiny little crease brush. Now taking the Pigment Palace Modern Royalty palette, I'm going to take the shade Diamond and apply that to the inner half of my lid using this flat shader brush. Taking the shade Fairy, I'm just going to be applying that to the outer half of my lid using the same flat shader brush. And now to incorporate some gold into this eye look, I'm just going to be using this Maybelline Lasting Drama eyeliner pencil in the shade Gold. And this is an amazing little liner from the drugstore. These are so smooth, so creamy. They glide onto your waterline like a dream. They don't smudge, they don't flake, they stay in place all day. I seriously love these eyeliners, and I think that all of you need to go out and check them out because they have a multitude of different colors to choose from, and it's just a really good eyeliner pencil. Alrighty, and now I'm going to do up my lower lash line with this tiny little angled brush. So I'm going to take the shade Diamond and Fairy and just pop both of those into my lower lash line. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara. Alrighty, and now I'm going to apply a false eyelash to my eye, and I'm going to be using the Kiss Lash in the style Shy. Use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and I'm just going to be warming up my complexion with this bronzer, and I'm going to be applying it using this little angled brush. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Essence Mosaic blush, and all you need is pink on the apples of my cheeks, and I'm going to apply it using the Profusion blush brush. Now I'm going to use my Profusion face kit, and I'm going to use the highlighter in this palette in the shade Dreamy, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. highlighting brush. Alrighty, so now I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Bare It All. I know y'all are probably tired of me using this lipstick, but I'm just trying to finish it up, and I feel like it's going to go good with this eye look since it is a nude color. So that is it for my St. Patrick's Day inspired makeup tutorial. I really hope you all did enjoy this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one really, really soon. Bye!